Every day, Cognex deep learning solutions help manufacturers push the limits of what's possible with machine vision. Inspired by human cognition, deep learning technology gives manufacturing equipment the ability to recognize images and perceive environments in new ways. With the flexibility of the human brain and speed and robustness of a computer, deep learning-based vision algorithms can now solve factory floor applications that once took months to develop. These include applications that are too complicated to program or unwieldy to maintain, like cosmetic inspection on textured patterns that vary in subtle ways, complicated assemblies with confusing backgrounds, and even complex character reading. Cognex is at the vanguard of this machine vision innovation with the first deep learning-based image analysis software designed specifically for factories, Cognex Vidi. The software learns directly from a set of images to conceptualize the normal appearance of a part. During inspection, it applies its logic without programming to read characters, locate, inspect, classify, and sort parts, even as conditions vary. This helps machines develop solutions to the most sophisticated automation challenges in minutes and make decisions in milliseconds. Capturing over 1 billion images a day, and with the industry's best technology and vision experts, Cognex continues to lead the way in machine vision and deep learning technology, helping manufacturing become more productive, robust, and intelligent.